Many have waited a long time for it and now it's finally here. The entrance alert. With the entrance alert, you can automatically greet every chatter or even send a special greeting to special viewers. While the first chatter alert only triggers once for the very first person who writes something, the entrance alert triggers once for each person. To set up the entrance alert, go to Alerts in the left sidebar, your platform, for example Twitch, Entrance Alert. The first thing you need to do is turn on the alert. Then you can set the basic alert. Here you can select whether the alert should also be triggered offline or only live, how long the alert should last, and of course you can choose your light type. You can play audio and add your smart plugs and key lights of course. Further down we set if we want to play a TTS message and/or a chatbot message. Next comes the advanced options. Here you can get really creative. For example, you can use the overlay actions to play an HFX or display a meme for each viewer. You can trigger a shout out automatically via Twitch action or change your voice with every viewer via voice mod. Under the base alert, we then find the variations. Here you can create individual alerts. As with any alert, you have the option to let a random generator choose your variation. But you can also select the option username equal to and set up an extra alert for specific people. Click on Add Variation, give the variation a name, select username equal to and enter the platform name of the person you want the alert to be for. Your variation will be created and is ready to use. Now you can click on the small edit pen and enter the variation settings. Here you can customize the entrance alert just as described in the basic alert. What ideas do you have for an entrance alert? Write it in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to not miss any news, and have a luminous day.